Hey, good morning. It's Dr. James. I hope you're off to a beautiful start today. It's great to see you. I'm so happy to lay eyes on you because this is something you and I need to hear today. And I don't know how you're feeling, but according to research, most of us are feeling right now as we start to make our way into this part of January where all the stoke and the inspiration, the light, and all that awesome motivation we had on January 1st is kind of, you know what, it may be teetering right now. And it's not our fault. And really, I want you to know something. It's actually more neurochemical than anything else. Neuroplasticity is what's working against us right now. If you had some awesome ideas and some amazing visions and you were wicked excited, wicked, I'm from New England, so I use wicked a lot. You were so excited about what was possible. And then right now you're going, man, I need an upgrade. What do I do? Well, what's happening is something called neuroplasticity. And that simply means our brain works to be efficient. And part of efficiency is what we've always known. And rather than trying to use energy to change the way we think or change the way we believe what's possible, we fall back into what we know. Whether we want to or not, it's just neurochemical. So if you want to break out of that old pattern, that old path, the old beliefs, and you're finding yourself, I had this great idea about how I wanted to show up for 2019 and how I was going to be loving myself and caring for myself and really making impact in the world with a level of courage and conviction and love that was, beautifully unreasonable. But I'm finding myself starting to waver a little bit. Well, here's what you need to remember. And here's what you and I can really, really dedicate ourselves to today and really set a new pattern, a new path, a new neurochemistry. So often in this part of the year, we've been leaning into willpower. And I want to tell you, willpower doesn't work. I mean, it'll work for a little while, but eventually willpower gives way to old patterns, old beliefs, and what was easy and known before. And then we fall back into the old stuff, irregardless of what we want to. And we just find ourselves back there. Also, we're like, oh my gosh, I'm talking in old ways that I said I wouldn't do. I'm eating in ways that I said I didn't want to eat anymore. I'm not moving my body, and I said I was going to move my body. I'm not hugging, and I'm going for handshakes versus the hugs. All that stuff. Well, here's what you need to know, and here's what you and I can practice today. Decorate your life with possibilities. It's so amazing. Where willpower fades, willingness is what works. And literally, how does willingness work? It means that using the environment as medicine. The type of media you're gonna watch every day or not watch, and probably even more importantly, the people that you want to decorate your life with. I mean, think about what it is that you want to be around every single moment of your life. People who talk lovingly, people who aspire, people who are not afraid, people who are absolutely standing for love and light. And you want to be in their presence. You want to be that person in their presence. Because environmental medicine will heal you. It'll lift you. It'll raise you. It'll be the thing that takes over your life and raises you to be who you came here to be. January 1st, you woke up and you had this conviction. January 1st, you had this mission. And it's no different than the first moment you took your breath, even though you may not have been conscious. Spiritually, you knew exactly who you came here to be. And over time, over years, over family patterns, over the environments that we were raised in, we lost our way. Well, you know what? You are old enough and you are bold enough to decorate your love with possibility. So today, look around your life. Get courageous about how you're going to decorate what you want to be surrounded with. Let go of willpower, move into willingness, allow your environment to be enlightened medicine, and allow it to carry you, allow it to become you, and allow it to never let you forget how good, how powerful, how awesome, beautiful, and brilliant you are, because you are. Let's have a beautiful day. Let's have a beautiful life. Let's rise, let's rock, let's shine. Much love, many blessings. Have an awesome day.